Each flash sends a brief but intense pulse of light energy towards the skin. Lighter pigmented skin isn't affected, but when the light energy meets the darker pigment of hair, it's immediately transformed into brief but extreme heat. Hair follicles absorb the heat and are burnt. While heated, the hair scars the hair growth cells in the surrounding shaft, permanently destroying them. The result? Hair follicles disabled by HPL will never grow hair again. For the best results, it's important to give HPL energy a clear path to the hair follicles located within the skin. Hair growing above the skin surface can block the light pulses from reaching their target. That's why you should shave before each flash and go treatment for maximum effectiveness. It's also important to understand that HPL only affects the hairs that are inside the hair shafts at the time of treatment. But only 15% of your hair is actively growing inside its shafts at any given time. It's this hair whose growth is eliminated by HPL. That's why you should wait 2 to 4 weeks between treatments to let more hair return to its active growth phase. This makes the next treatment effective. All in all, you'll need about 6 to 8 treatments spread 2 to 4 weeks apart to disable the majority of hair shafts and give you hair-free skin. But remember, there are always dormant hair cells located beneath the skin surface that have never grown before, yet retain the potential to grow hair. From time to time, our body's hormones activate some of those cells, and we experience what looks like regrowth, but is actually new hair growth.